Okay, eBay junk and airplane junk, because these two things I needed to make my airplane motor work. We'll do this one first, because this one here is a set of cams, I think. It must have worked my shirt. Oh, look at that. What's that?
Oh, it's cams.
Amazing. Now, buell, they wanted $150 a set or better. That's a buell XB. And I'm cheap. Hard to believe.
No.
I didn't go for that. So these are 5-speed Sportster cams. 2000 to 03. So they have the same fine tooth as 2000, because 2000 they went fine tooth. Before that they were coarse tooth. So this one here I'm guessing is a number 3. Oh, it fits so far. What number do you think that one's supposed to be? 4?
Looks like a 4.
4. We can even line the marks up a little bit. Now, I know this is a number 3 because it has 2 marks on it, right here, 1, 2. See over here? See, this one only has 1, this has 1, this will have 2. See, this is going to be number 1 because there's only 1 left. Okay. Remember I told you this is all the same from 1932 and up?
Yeah.
32 to 22.
Jeez.
Okay, here's our number 2 cam, which has all the important stuff on it. They sure make this hard to see, don't they? I see some kind of mark there, some kind of mark over there. There should be another one somewhere else. Is that supposed to be one over there too, I'm guessing?
There was the third one right there.
Oh, there's a triangle there. Triangle, triangle.
Another triangle.
You got 3 here, but this one over here maybe? I don't know. These got dots over here too. I don't know what these dots are all about. They're a weird way of timing these motors these days. Well, either way, that goes in there like that. Doesn't rotate though.
Looks like you got a clearance issue right here.
Maybe. Let me get my clearancing device.
Yeah. Okay.
You ever seen it before? It appears to be hitting. It's kind of surprising because the gears here are the same.
Interesting.
I don't know why that's hitting. But obviously it's hitting, so this is not made for the tall tooth gears, I'm guessing. I thought all the 2000 up bikes were made for the fine tooth gears, so maybe I need a coarse set of gears. Kind of looks that way, doesn't it? I'm wasting my money.
And you don't like to waste money.
You know what the good part of this is? They get cheaper the older they get.
Oh, good.
These are only like $50. The other ones would be like $25.
Oh, perfect.
Obviously, it does not work on fine tooth, which is kind of surprising because my buell Blast takes fine tooth cams. Weird.
Interesting.
Yeah, that's real weird. Well, either way, it goes on there. So obviously, there's some trickery going on. Now, where's my buell Blast junk? There's a box of that crap laying around here somewhere. Here's the wall pump. This came off the XB motor.
Buell.
Fuel oil pump. 2 oil pumps. 3 oil pumps. Can't have too many oil pumps. 5th gear. 2 of them. We're working multiples around here.
Yes.
You know what that means? I stripped down 2 motors. Well, this is M8 here. That's like the old Blast, but different. This is all the M8 shit. I don't care about that. Okay, this is not the Buell Blast box I wanted. Yeah, it's heavy. I thought this was all M8 stuff. Maybe we'll look out to get the Buell stuff in there. Nope, all M8 crap. I can tell it's M8 because it has too many valves. Alright, well the Buell parts aren't here. There's a box full of Buell stuff. I have the stock cams for the blast motor. I got a Buell Blast motor mocked up, which might be down there, and it's probably inside of it. Alright, well either way, there's something going on here, I'm not sure what. It's inferior made is the problem.
Yeah.
I don't know why they would make a case like this that would not ever work together. It's kind of stupid that you can't put it together and make it work. I don't know why anybody would do that. But I have a fix for that.
All right. Ta-da!
I mean it doesn't fit. It's like a high lift pan. Make it work. Alright, they fit now. You have the recommended clearance?
Looks like it.
That would be 4 pieces of paper. No, we don't have that much. Good, it doesn't need to be that much anyway.
Hot damn.
It's self-clearancing anyway. Okay, we have less than 15,000, so we might have to do some more cut on that to make it clear. I'll make sure I come off the milling machine and do a circle interpretation there. Otherwise, no bore it bigger on center and go straight down.
Oh, perfect.
Take it out. All right. So there's your Sportster cams, 5-speed, 90 to 03 style cams, but these are actually 2000 to 03. So there you go. That's the Buell. All right, there you go.